Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 5. Express each of the following in the form of ax plus b whole square plus c, and the part c is 25x square plus 40x minus 4. So this form shows us we have to make a perfect square, complete square. So it means we will use the completing square method to simplify this question. So now, first of all, we need to make the first term as a perfect square. So as we can say, the 25 is the square of 5. So we can replace this value into 5 square, and x square we will keep same, plus 40x minus 4. After that, remember when you have the square of two values like a square and x square, so we will write down ax whole square. So now it becomes 5x whole square, then plus 40x and minus 4. Now here you can see in the required form ax. So when you have, now we will not factor out the a is for the x, so we will keep same. But for this, the formula we will use ax plus b over 2a and minus b over 2a whole square for completing square method. So now here, what is the b over 2a? B is the coefficient of x. So in this question, the coefficient of x we have 40. So the b by 2a is equals to the 40 over a is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So it would be equals to 4. So it means instead of the b by 2a, we will use the 4, and let's substitute the values in formula. We are solving the completing square method by using completing square method, the quadratic expression. So now the first value, which is 5x, means ax. So 5x plus b by 2 is 4 and whole square, minus b by 2 is 4 square and minus 4. Then further it would be 5x plus 4 whole square, then minus 4 square is 16 minus 4. So now at the end, the first we got our completing square, complete our perfect square. The second, the constant values we will solve, minus 16 minus 4, minus minus makes plus, means the values will add. So here we got our required form, which is 5x plus 4 whole square minus 20. Part B is 9x square minus 42x plus 61. So we need to write in the completing square form ax plus b whole square plus c. So it means that the method we will use, which is the completing square method. So here, to make a completing square, so first of all we have to make perfect square of the leading term. So the 9, it means we can write down the square of the 3, the square of 3, and then x square we will keep same, minus 42x plus 61. So now the 3x and 3 square x square, so we can write down, if we have a square x square, so we can write together and take the square here. So it would be the 3x and whole square, then minus 42x plus 61. Now here we will apply the completing square formula, which would be the required form is ax. So we will not factor out the a. For this condition, the completing square formula would be ax plus b over 2a whole square minus b over 2a whole square. So what is the b? B is the coefficient of x, which is 42. So 42 minus 42 b over 2a, which is equals to minus 42 divided by what is 2 times 3. A is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So as we will get minus 7. So let's substitute the values here. Now the 3x, the first value means ax will keep same, plus b by 2a, which is minus 7. So plus minus makes minus and whole square. Then again minus 7 whole square plus 61. Now further, the completing square we will keep same, but we need to solve the constant values these. So minus square would be plus 7 square is 49 and plus 61. Now then the 3x minus 7 we will keep same whole square and minus 49 plus 61. So it would be equals to, the bigger number has positive sign, so we will put here the positive sign, so plus 12. So this is our required form. The value of a is 3, the value of b we got minus 7, and c is 12.